Hello, it's Mama Mo from Kusina ni MonCesCa. Today's hobby baking adventure makes us go into Disney. We are using the recipe of Rosanna Pansino, making this heart of Fiti cookie. In the movie Moana, this is what she was searching for. Just for this video, I'm also using my Rosanna Pansino measuring spoons. So we start by putting the butter and sugar in a bowl. And we are going to beat them until it's creamy. Now we are going to add the vanilla. Then the 2 egg yolks. Plus the salt. And the flour. I'll just put a little bit first, mix it and add the rest. Okay, so I'm just going to stir this until everything is well combined, and then we are going to add the food color. We're now going to add a neon green color. Okay, I'm going to use the mixer again. Now they like this green. Okay, so we're now going to half the dough, and one half will go into the fridge already, and then the other half we are going to add the darker green color. So this is the half, and I'm going to cover this and put it in the fridge, and for the other half we will add a darker green color. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the 2 colors that we made. So this is the lighter green and this is the darker green. Here are the 2 batches of the colored dough. So I'm going to roll them out into an 8 by 10 rectangle. Looks like a hot green to me. Do the same for the lighter green one. So here's the lighter green dough rolled up. Now we have to put this in the fridge to cool them for about 10 minutes. The instructions said to roll them out separately, but I decided to put them on top of each other. So you can see the dark green is there and the lighter green is on top. So I have rolled the dough and put them on top of each other. The size is about 10 by 8, and now we are going to roll it lengthwise. The green darker color should be at the bottom. This is what it looks like on the side, but I think when we cut through here, the layers will be more defined. So now we cool this log for about 10 minutes, and then we will be ready to cut it into circles. So here is our cookie log, and I'm now going to cut them with my bench knife. Okay, let's see. So this is what it looks like. So here are the cookies. I made about 36. So we will need a lollipop stick, or if you don't have one, maybe a birthday candle. We just need to put slight indentations into each cookie like this. So can you see that? Let me just show you. So the cookies are done, and I baked them for about 15 to 16 minutes. And here's a closer look. Can you see the indentations right there? Let's give it a taste now. It's good. Thank you for watching.